Hello everyone! Our topic today is all about solution by quadratic formula. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From here, we are going to have a, b, and c are constants. Example for this one, if we have x squared plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0, so any variable without any numerical coefficient, it means that the numerical coefficient is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1. And since the numerical coefficient of x is plus 4, it means that b is equal to positive 4. And the constant term, which is 2, so c is equal to 2. Now let us have another one. So supposing we have 2x squared minus 6x minus 12 is equal to 0. So the numerical coefficient of x squared is 2. So we have a is equal to 2. And then the numerical coefficient of x is minus 6. So b is equal to negative 6. And we have the constant term or the last term, minus 12. So c is equal to negative 12. That is how to identify your a, b, and c. There's another method to solve for any quadratic equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constants. So aside from completing the square, trial and error method, factoring, we have another method. This is using the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula states that we can solve for x, which is equal to negative b, plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So let us have example number 1. So supposing we have the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. From here, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to negative 2. So using the quadratic formula, substituting the values, we get negative 3 plus and minus square root of 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 2 divided by 2 times 2. So be very careful in substituting your values. Simplifying further, so 3 squared is equal to 9 and minus 4 times 2 times negative 2 is equal to positive 16. So inside the square root, we have 9 plus 16. And 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. And we all know that the square root of 25 is equal to plus and minus 5. So we will be getting x is equal to negative 3 plus and minus 5 over 4. So from here, we are going to solve for x. From x is equal to negative 3 plus and minus 5 over 4, we will be having x is equal to negative 3 plus 5 over 4 and x is equal to negative 3 minus 5 over 4. From here, negative 3 plus 5 is equal to positive 2. So we will be getting 2 over 4 and 2 over 4 is equal to 1 half. So we have x is equal to 1 half. And then the other one, negative 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 8. So we will be getting negative 8 divided by 4, which is equal to negative 2. So we have the solution 1 half or negative 2. So supposing we have 6x squared minus 17x plus 12 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 6, b is equal to negative 17, and c is equal to 12. Using the quadratic formula and substituting all the values, we will be getting negative times negative 17 plus and minus square root of negative 17 squared minus 4 times 6 times 12 over 2 times 6. Simplifying further, negative 17 squared is equal to 289, and minus 4 times 6 times 12 is equal to minus 288, and 289 minus 288 is equal to 1. So we will be getting x is equal to 17 plus and minus square root of 1 over 12. From here, we all know that square root of 1 is equal to plus and minus 1. So we will be having x is equal to 17 plus and minus 1 over 12. So from here, we will be solving for x. So from x is equal to 17 plus and minus 1 over 12, we will be getting x is equal to 17 plus 1 over 12, and x is equal to 17 minus 1 over 12. 17 plus 1 is 18, so we have 18 over 12. And then we all know that 18 is equal to 6 times 3, and then 12 is equal to 6 times 2. We cancel 6 and 6, so x is equal to 3 over 2. And the other one, 17 minus 1 is equal to 16, so we will be getting 16 over 12. And we all know that 16 is equal to 4 times 4, whereas 12 is equal to 4 times 3. Cancel 4 and 4. We will be getting x is equal to 4 over 3. Now let us have a short quiz. State the quadratic formula in 5 seconds. That's right. X is equal to negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Let us have another one. Solve the following. 9x squared minus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0 in 10 seconds. That's right. The answer is 2 over 3 or 1 over 3. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel. See you again next time. Bye!